What's up, y'all? Lang Whitaker here from Grind City Media, and today we're gonna cook some chicken breast. What's the best tasting part of the chicken? Not the breast. So we're gonna figure out a way to make it taste great and be juicy and delicious, and let's get to work now. Time to eat. Let's cut into this thing. I mean, I don't know if you can tell how juicy that is and how moist that is. This is a chicken breast that doesn't suck. Well, so moist. The lemon, the garlic, the seasonings, the rosemary, are so good. Use it in salad, sandwich, wraps, on top of rice, on top of pasta even. So good, so easy. I did it. You can do it too. This is Cooking with Lang.